This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the PremiereTrade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Thursday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Markets finished the day mixed and relatively unchanged. The Dow was up, but just fractionally. NASDAQ was down fractionally, and the S&P was up 0.1. In news today, wholesale prices rose 3.2% in November. That's the largest change since 3.5% in August of 1973. As energy price growth hit a new record, wholesale energy prices rose 14.1% in November, beating the previous record growth of 13.4% in January of 1990. Initial jobless claims fell 7,000 to 333,000 in the weekend of December 8th. Four-week moving average for continuing jobless claims rose to the highest level since early January of 2006. U.S. retail sales rose a better than expected 1.2% in November, the best gain in 6 months. Sales gains were widespread across most kinds of retail outlets, including gasoline, department stores, and hardware stores. Countrywide Financial announced that mortgage loan fundings for the month of November totaled $23 billion. That's a 40% decline from November 2006, but total mortgage loan fundings were actually up 5% from the previous month. Dow Chemical will sell 50% interest in 5 of its global businesses to a Kuwaiti company for about $9.5 billion to form a new joint venture, a petrochemicals venture. And Carnival Corp has ordered 2 71,000-ton cruise ships for its AIDA cruise brand. The 2 vessels will cost 765 million euros, that's equivalent to $1.1 billion US, and are scheduled to enter service in April of 2011 and May 2012, respectively. In Forex news today, the dollar was modestly higher, gaining on the euro, yen, and pound after data showing bullish retail sales and wholesale inflation at a 34-year high in November reduced investors' expectations of further aggressive interest rate cuts by the U.S. Fed. Lower interest rates tend to weigh on the dollar because they reduce the return on dollar-denominated assets. The Fed continues to have a great impact on the Forex market. Yesterday, the Fed announced it will make up to $24 billion available to the European Central Bank and the Swiss National Bank to increase the supply of dollars in Europe. Plans 4 auctions to add as much as $40 billion of the cash this month to the U.S. financial system. Pound fell against the dollar after an industry survey showed the housing market slowing in Europe's second biggest economy is actually worsening. The pound dropped against all 16 most active currencies as data from the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors indicated price declines spreading across all of England and Wales. Economic reports scheduled on Friday include the Consumer Price Index, CPI for November, industrial production, and capacity utilization for November. In earnings today, Lehman Brothers reporting its profit was $870 million, or $1.54 a share. Costco Wholesale reporting earnings of $262 million, or 59 cents a share. That compared with 51 cents last year. Sienna Corp said that the fourth quarter earnings more than doubled. Fourth quarter earnings rose $30.4 million, or 30 cents a share. Joseph A. Bank Clothiers reporting a profit of $7.1 million, or 38 cents a share. Analysts were expecting 33. Some of the earnings out on Friday include Electronic Clearinghouse, Value Line, Ketcher Holdings, Crossroads Systems, and Mitel. Stocks in the news today. CKE Restaurants reporting third quarter profit shrinking to $6.2 million, or 11 cents a share from 14 cents last year. Honeywell expecting 2008 sales of $36.1 billion to $36.7 billion, earning somewhere in the range of $3.65 to $3.80 a share. And Lockheed said that the Air Force has declared full worldwide operational capability for the company's F-22 Raptor. That is the Market Wrap here on this Thursday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.